Now, this website that we're on is using symmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption can be categorized into two. We have block ciphers and we have stream ciphers. We have block symmetric encryption ciphers. We have stream, I wrote cipher. We have stream symmetric encryption ciphers. With stream ciphers, you have salsa, you have cha-cha, there's RCs, RC5, stream ciphers, and block ciphers. Two different types of symmetric algorithms. The thing is, we don't use two keys over here. We use one key. We're using the same key to encrypt and decrypt. And we can either encrypt the data as a block cipher or using a block cipher, or we can encrypt the data using a stream cipher. Both of them are going to use the same key to encrypt and decrypt. It's just that the block cipher is going to break up the data into chunks or blocks and before it encrypts it. The stream cipher is not going to break anything up into data. It's just going to encrypt it as is. We use stream ciphers a lot for streaming platforms like Zoom, Discord, if you're streaming, gaming. Block ciphers are used a lot on the internet to browse the web. A common block cipher is AES. You have older ones out there like Dash, Triple Dash, Blowfish, Two Fish. Well, Two Fish isn't really old, so I'll put Two Fish here. But these are the different types of block ciphers, AES, Two Fish. Then you have stream ciphers. Okay, they're both under the symmetric algorithm family. Okay, they're both going to use the same key to encrypt and decrypt. Now let's go ahead and use the block cipher. This website is using a block cipher. This website is using symmetric encryption. Why? Because we're not using two different keys. We're going to be using the same key. So here we're going to type something into the field. Let's type something like pretty clever. So, hey, go to onlinesecurity.com to start your IT career. All right. Now we're going to encrypt this. We want to make sure no one else can see it. So we're going to encrypt it with our own key. I'm going to use a key of God rules. And then I'm just going to hit the encrypt button. That's going to take my plain text right here, my cipher text. My plain text, my clear text is going to turn that into cipher text. This is the cipher text. It's not readable. It is not readable. What's readable is the plain text, the clear text. So we've encrypted our plain text, our clear text, and now we have cipher text, and we encrypted it with our key of God rules. The key can be anything. Now, if we want to decrypt it, we have to put it here into their decryption tool. We use the encryption tool. We're going to use their decryption tool, and we have to give the correct key to decrypt it. If we don't give the correct key, you may not get the full message back. But we see the clear text now, and we went from cipher text to clear text. Hey, go to onlinesecurity.com to start your IT career. That is encryption. It is a two-way algorithm. It is meant to be encrypted and then decrypted. It is meant to make sure that your data remains confidential.